Okay, hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to disclose with you some of the shocking admission fees GH Lowen charges for tuition fees. Okay, Lowen, in an exclusive interview with Andy Dosty, host of Daybreak Hits on Hits FM, disclosed that children at crèche pay 50 Ghana cedis and primary 1 to 6 pay 100 Ghana cedis per term. Wow, this is so ridiculous. How true could this be? Let's continue. This came as a surprise to the host and his team as they cheer him up for a good work. Wow. The one you are trying to make sure that everybody who didn't get the opportunity you got or you didn't get to enter into school, you are helping as a celebrity, and we need to clap for you. Okay, Kumawood actor Kojo Nkansa Lewen, popularly known as Lewen, earlier today in an interview disclosed the shocking amount her students pay for admission, and it totally blew the minds of Ghanaians. He also stated that he decided to take that decision to help every child to be enrolled in his school since he couldn't get that opportunity, and it's never because of the money he wants. Right, Lewin, are you sure? Are you sure it's not because of the money? Because 50 Ghana cedis times 500 people, na blogo, big money. Okay, so Lewin also stated that he has over 20 teachers which he pays each and every one from his pocket money, and the person who receives lowest among them takes 300 Ghana cedi monthly. Wow, this is so interesting. Lewin, God bless you for the good work you're doing. Lewin, may God multiply your good works you're doing. Keep it up. And Ghanaians, we support it. This is what we expect people to do when we make them famous, when we put our hard work to make them famous. Come and support the society. You were born into a society, so come and support the society. And God will bless you for that. Okay? So stay tuned. I'll bring you the other way. I said, please, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification bell. You can also choose to share this information, like and comment below. Thank you, and I'll see you in our next video.